Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best quail cage is probably one of the most crucial investments for any aspiring quail keeper, ensuring the health, happiness, and productivity of your flock. Choosing the right enclosure goes beyond just providing shelter, it's about creating an optimal environment that supports natural behaviors, simplifies daily maintenance, and protects your birds from potential threats, ultimately making your quail farming journey both rewarding and sustainable from day one. Number 5. Prevue Pet Deluxe Divided Breeder Cage. Introducing a versatile enclosure designed for your small birds. This premium cage offers a flexible environment, perfect for both breeding and everyday living. Its innovative design allows you to create two separate spaces or one extra wide area. This flexibility ensures your finches, canaries, or parakeets have ample room for perching and nesting. Crafted from heavy-duty, powder-coated steel, it's built to last. Equipped with wheels, you can easily move it wherever needed. Maintaining a clean habitat is simple with its dual front-locking doors and pull-out bottom grills. Side nesting doors also make nest checks and feeding hassle-free. Measuring 37.5 by 18 by 40.5 inches with 1 2-inch wire spacing, it's perfectly sized for small to medium birds. It can be used as a standalone unit or paired with other compatible models. Trust in a brand with a legacy of quality and safety since 1869. They are committed to providing well-designed products for your beloved pets. What we like. This cage offers a flexible, divided design, allowing you to create two separate spaces or one large enclosure. Its heavy-duty, powder-coated steel construction ensures durability and safety. If you are a breeder or need to house multiple small birds with the option to separate them, this stackable and versatile cage is an excellent choice. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews to select the top points. Number 4. Wooden Small Animal Habitat, Gray plus White Trim. This adorable enclosure is designed for your small companions, like guinea pigs, rabbits, chicks, or tortoises. It provides a comfortable and spacious environment for them to thrive. Its durable grate and secure latch ensure your beloved pet remains safe and sound inside. You can have peace of mind knowing they are protected. Assembly is a breeze with just a screwdriver. All necessary hardware and pre-drilled holes are included, making setup quick and simple. Crafted from solid wood and featuring a strong metal grate, this habitat offers excellent value. It includes a removable bottom floor in the hut area for easy cleaning. The wire-style design ensures proper ventilation and allows for easy viewing of your pets. It lets them enjoy the outdoors while keeping them safe from predators. What we like. This enclosure is crafted from solid wood, providing a sturdy and secure home for your small pets. Its design allows for both indoor and outdoor placement, offering flexibility. If you are looking for a durable, aesthetically pleasing habitat for small animals like tortoises or guinea pigs that can be used in various settings, this wooden house is ideal. What people say. Number 3. Yaheetech Stackable Divided Breeder Bird Cage with Rolling Stand. This bird cage features a detachable rolling stand, making it incredibly easy to move around your home. Founded on 4 360-degree swivel wheels, 2 with brakes, it rolls without effort. Plus, the upper cage can be used separately for added flexibility. A clever dividing grate allows you to create 2 individual breeding or living spaces, perfect for housing multiple birds. Each section includes essential accessories like perches and feeders. You can also remove the divider to create one larger, spacious home for your feathered friends. Constructed from quality wrought iron with a tough hammered paint coating, it ensures safety and durability. This robust design is built to last and is safe for your pets, even if they like to chew. Measuring 37.6 inches long, 18 inches wide, and 41.5 inches high, with a 0.4-inch wire spacing, it's ideal for 3 to 4 small birds. Species like lovebirds, canaries, finches, parakeets, and cockatiels will thrive in this spacious environment. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to its waterproof finished metal and bottom slide-out tray. The pull-out grate prevents birds from walking in its excrement, ensuring a hygienic environment for your pets. What we like. This cage features a highly convenient detachable rolling stand, making it easy to move and allowing the upper cage to be used independently. It provides multiple divided breeding spaces, perfect for managing several small birds. If you need a mobile, multi-compartment solution for your small birds with easy portability, this stackable unit with wheels is a great option. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points could be extracted as requested. Number 2. 3-hole plastic bird cage feeder. Meet our innovative 3-hole plastic bird feeder. It's designed specifically for small birds like quail, pigeons, and doves, providing them with easy access to food. This feeder features a practical 3-slot design, perfect for multiple birds to feed simultaneously. Its compact size makes it ideal for various cage types. Say goodbye to messy refills. This feeder boasts an easy-to-use design that allows you to fill it from outside the cage, ensuring a hassle-free experience for you and your birds. Whether you have quail, pigeons, doves, or other small birds, this feeder is a great choice. It caters to a wide range of avian species, making it a versatile addition to any bird owner's collection. Monitor food levels at a glance with its clear, easy-view hinged lid. This thoughtful feature allows for quick checks and convenient access when needed. What we like. This feeder is designed to attach to the outside of the cage, making refilling incredibly simple and mess-free. Its clear, hinged lid allows for easy monitoring of food levels. If you are looking for a practical and efficient way to feed your quail, pigeons, or doves without opening the cage, this external feeder is a perfect fit. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source. Therefore, no specific points could be extracted as requested. Number 1. HAPPAWS 58-inch wooden rabbit hutch with hay feeder. This innovative design features a removable wire netting above a PVC layer. It effortlessly separates waste, making cleaning a breeze and ensuring a hygienic environment for your pets. With 2 spacious levels and a convenient ramp, it offers ample room for your pets to explore and relax. There's plenty of space for all their essentials, from litter boxes to toys, ensuring they have room to thrive. A pull-out tray and sliding door simplify daily maintenance. Its network doors and windows ensure excellent air circulation, creating a fresh, healthy, and cozy home for your small animals. Constructed with natural fir wood and a waterproof roof, it withstands various weather conditions. Heavy-duty metal wire and a UV-proof panel protect your pets while they enjoy their outdoor exercise. Ideal for both indoor and outdoor use, this versatile pet house accommodates a variety of small animals. It's perfect for rabbits, chickens, ducks, birds, squirrels, and more, providing a safe haven for all. What we like. This hutch features innovative bottom wire netting above a PVC layer, ensuring excellent hygiene by separating waste. It offers a spacious 2-level design with a ramp, providing ample room for exercise and rest. If you prioritize superior cleanliness and a large, protected environment for your rabbits or other small animals, this hutch with its unique waste separation system is highly recommended. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.